Um, all right, this is my first live trading. So, why is it so quiet? Uh, 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 hello, hello. Okay. All right, welcome to my first live trading video. So I'm just gonna start a little series where I explain my trades, winning and losing. See, market just opened. And we're on NASDAQ. And we're seeing strong selling power right here. So I got my 1 hour highs and lows marked out. Got my 1 hour draws on liquidity marked out. We're going to wait for either the upside of those or the downside to get swept here. Once we get swept, we're going to look for ideally a bullish for a value gap, bullish imbalance to bounce off of for a 3-point gain. Very short scalp today. Because we are bullish on both the 4 hour and 1 hour buys. So that means we're looking for longs here. So we're going to look for a sweep. And then we're going to look for a retracement up into our confluence, fair value gap. I'm not going to do a confirmation confluence, just going to go off of the just going to go off the confirmation, not the continuation today. So no third confluence. But you can see we do get this fair value gap right here. But that doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to be explaining my thought process throughout my trades. I actually took a trade last night. I hit a trade last night. Now it's supposed to be trading night session. I don't know why I was doing that, but I hit. So we're just going to sit here and wait to see where price wants to go. Just looking for an SMT divergence if there is one, but we have this 1 minute imbalance. I think it's going to react off of that. but we shouldn't be doing anything yet until these are swept. Only problem with that is that can literally take hours. Like, these are really spaced out draws on liquidity. In fact, honestly, I'm more comfortable just like moving this all the way here. Because I really don't want to wait that long. And I gotta go to school. It's 2 hour delay, so. But here's the thing, if we're looking at sweep highs, which we're not, but if we were, this is the only high up here. It's so high up. Who knows how long it would take to sweep that high? I have no idea. So really, I just want to aim for this. And it's gone. Where did it just go? We're looking pretty good right now. Just continue to shit the bed right now. Dude, I probably look so tired. And I am tired. Woke up 2 hours early just for this, even though there's a 2 hour delay. I could be sweeping right now. But I'm not. Because we're locked in. Come on. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to target this low. Especially if we see buying power out of that. Because if we see resistance off of this low, I also just don't feel like waiting for these. I feel like I can find a trade off of this low alone. Yeah. Yep. Just a waiting game. Yo, Spotify down, bro? I've been trying to load Spotify for the past 20 minutes. Oh, shit. To no avail. Okay, I keep connecting to other people's Wi-Fi on accident, bro. I just got a software update, so this should be working. Bro. So let me know if I don't know who's gonna watch this, but if someone does watch this, let me know if you want more live trades just to show you my thought process. It's a pretty simple thought process. I don't have a pretty complex strategy, if you even call it a strategy. It's literally just reaction off of second confluence. It's a sweep break of structure. Second confluence. That's fair value gap. Imbalance. Inverse fair value gap. Although, not inverse fair value gap because that may be waiting for SMT equilibrium 79% extension. I'd say breaker block, order block, but I don't really use those. I don't know. I just don't really like using those as much. So breaker block, we'd be talking about like this right here. So this is a bearish breaker block, so we'd wait for price to re-enter this zone. First closure outside of that, we'd sell out of there, but I don't use breaker blocks that much. I don't care. Price generally still going in our direction. Ideally trying to get a sweep around here. Break. I mean, this would have to be a perfectly. I mean, I have like almost an hour to get this trade in. I just really don't want to overlap it with me trying to actually get ready for school. Did they cancel school today? No, they did not cancel school today. Okay. Wow. My eyes are watering. Okay. Come on, bro. Why not? Since they're doing funny stuff, just in case. Like, watch it completely reverse off this 2 point difference, bro. I would have never known. All right. Okay. Please, what are we doing, bro? What are we doing? What are we doing? I'm about to get the pickaxe maneuver out. I have yet to try this. Alright, just leak everything on my fucking screen, bro. Are you serious, bro? Wait, guys. What? You're joking. Alright, so we're currently shitting the bed, looks like. Can I just, God forbid, I just want to put a little pickaxe in my thing. I don't need it. This is the strategy. We're just picking away here. Look at that. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Just need you to hit this low, because then you can sweep the other one. Bro, come on. Because I'm not rotating it. Oh, frick. It's not what I asked. Give in. Give in to the chart. Liquidity sweep. Give in. You shall not pass. Come on, bro. I literally don't got all day, bro. Just break the lows and you can do whatever you want, bro. Alright. Finally. Alright, so he just broke both of these 1 hour draws. So that's great. Now we are going to wait for a reversal. Did this hit? I'm just curious. Huh. Okay. Wow. Just the question, do we aim for these draws? I don't think we have time. If I could even get a 1 minute break of structure, that'd be incredible. 1 minute for value gap. I might even, I don't know, should I go off of a bearish imbalance? Might have to. Right now, I would just love to see 1 minute break of structure because, in all honesty, I don't think we have time for a 5 minute break structure. I should have entered right there. I don't know why I didn't. literally should have entered right there. I just missed that straight up. I was thinking about it, but no brake structure, no anything basically. Like I was literally gonna take that trade. I didn't know it was ending that quickly. The candle, it's messed up. Jeez, bro. My God. I mean, if we think we're gonna go for these other draws, I could find another bearish imbalance to hit off of, but like that's not what I would normally be doing. But I'm a little bit stretched on time. The only reason I'm rushing this trade today is because, like, normally I wouldn't rush, but just because I want to try to get it out of the way before school if I can, that I can actually do my schoolwork. Yeah, it looks like we're really going for these lows here. Yo, don't invalidate this imbalance, bro. Like I literally should have gone off of here. I was going to. I just don't know, dude. Like, if we somehow managed to form a bullish imbalance, I just don't know if I would trust it. Because, like, look at this, bro. That's why normally I'd wait for break structure, but we don't got time, so I'm looking just gonna hit off of bullish for value yap, or bearish, sorry. Bearish for value yap. Target 3 points and then just call it a day. Like I literally just missed my trade right here. This was literally the trade I was about to take. I could have taken this one too, I guess. Because I do think we are going to go for these lows down here. Oh, fuck. I hate when that shit happens. There we go. All right. Please just let us form another Ferretti app real quick. It's a good sized one. It's not one of these scrawny, tiny ones up here. This is the method. All right, we're retiring the pickaxe for now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See if we can get our tap. Don't invalidate. Now I gotta wait a minute. I don't. Here's the problem with. Bro. Holy break. I mean, I'll take the break structure now. There it is. All right. That is hilarious timing. That giant fucking. That is ridiculous. Cinder block being formed right here. That's incredible. We are looking good. So please just close like up here, bro. I don't want this shit getting any smaller than it already is. What did I just say? Why can't you just go up a little bit like a normal person, bro? Do you have to invalidate all of my... Do you have to ruin everything that I'm trying to do? 3 seconds. Thank you. Now go up. There's no 5-minute. Ooh, but there is. No, 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 no. Dude, I should just fucking... Oh my god, bro. I don't like it anymore. Yes. Okay, so you guys didn't see it, but I didn't have time to set my stop profit take loss here. But I literally just did this. I literally just did this. That's hilarious. So this was my trade. It lasted 2 seconds. I didn't have time to put my position up for you. I'm sorry. Usually that's what I would do to show you guys what I was doing, but this is what I did. It says I lost, but I didn't. So we did just hit our trade here for 3 points. So I entered off of the closure of this candle. You can see we tapped the bullish imbalance. We close up here, spikes up 3 points. We get that little noise right there. Or good reaction, and we continue to fucking shit the bed. I'm not worried about that though. Yeah. So you can see technically we followed all of our rules here today. I didn't think we would, but we technically did. We waited for our sweep. The 1 hour lows, 1 hour draws of liquidity. We got our small break of structure here, giant engulfing candle. wait to tab into our imbalance, enter on our closure, which is exactly what we did. Target 3 points, and we hit. So we did hit our trade today. That is great. So that puts me up $572 on the day. If you include the night trade that I took last night. If not, then I just made 286, but plus the night trade, it's 572. That's what it's telling me here on Top Step, so that's great. So that concludes. That's gonna wrap it up, boys. Good win today. Didn't take as long as I thought it would. Yeah, did not take as long as I thought I would. We followed all the rules. We got our win. There you go. We just gotta stick to your strategy. Don't be crazy, I guess. And there you go. Find something that works for you. People call it crazy. Then who cares? If it works, it works. Some would say my strategy is a little crazy. I don't have a confirmation confluence. Or I don't have a continuation confluence. Rather, I do have a confirmation confluence. It's our little fair value gap, but I have nothing else, basically. You see, this just gets... we are plunging for these lows. So, I don't know. When I go into school, I might try to take a trade off these lows here. Look for a giant break of structure, then bounce off a bullish fair value gap. But I probably won't. Because I'm already up an extra 300 that I'm supposed to be for the day. Because I took 2 trades instead of 1. So, and I just happened to win both. So there you go. That's going to wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if, you're not, I'm assuming you're not watching this on YouTube because, I don't know, maybe you are. I don't know. But if you are, let me know if you like these live trades. I plan to do more. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. End video.